Hey guys, this is Scott the Fix-It Guy. I'm excited today to do an unboxing and a review of these really cool iVUE Glide video glasses. And these are awesome. I'm using actually an iVUE product right now to film this. This is a generation prior to the Glide, and the Denali's is the one we're using right now. They're really good. So I want to see what these are like. I think this might be an advantage because they don't require these little SD cards for holding the memory. The memory's just built right into the glasses, right into the camera. That's pretty cool. So we're gonna open it up, see all the different things that come with it, and then I'll do a video wearing them so you get an idea of how well they work. So these Denali's work really good. I think these will be even better because they're a little bit more rugged and they have that built-in memory, which is awesome. So just open this up, and inside you got a really cool looking carrying case. Nice packaging. So that's a good protective case if you want to just carry these into the field. So I do appliance repair. I've got 3 really big YouTube channels that are all dedicated to appliance repair. And when I do the appliance repair, I do this POV style where you can see my hands working. And that allows me to get in there and do the repair without worrying too much about the camera. They have a little light hooked onto my Denali glasses. So these will be really fun to use. But on the channels, I've got about 2,500 repair videos, and each one's probably about an hour. So I've used the iVUE products, the different ones through the years, to do all this filming. And I'd say that's probably about 2,500 hours of filming, and it's just really easy to use. So this looks like your power cable to power it up into a USB port. And then inside the case, besides that, we have the glasses themselves. These feel to me a little lighter than the Denali's. That's kind of good. You want them to be very comfortable. Has a nice little case you can carry with you. Yeah, these are cool. Okay, so these come with, when you get them, these nice sunglass lenses, but there's also clear, I think there's clear lenses you can switch out. I believe they come with the glasses. Here's where the little camera is. It's pretty discreet. It's hard to see that that's a little camera. On the Denali's, it's a little bit bigger, so a bit more discreet. It's lighter weight, nice styling. Looks like you have the actuator button right here to either start your video or to stop the video, and you can also take a still shot with this too. And then this is a port here. I believe this is where you're going to, yeah, that's where you're going to charge it up, but also maybe that's a way to download the videos from your glasses to your computer. Yeah, pretty simple. Looks good. Let's see what else comes with the kit. These are definitely lighter, like that. Okay, so also in here you have the 2 clear lenses. That's cool. We'll show you guys how to switch them out. They're really easy to pop in. And then you've got your instruction sheet. So it's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. And iVUE has great customer service. Anytime I've had any kind of trouble at all, they're right there to explain it. They've even sent me other glasses. Yeah, that's great. So it's showing you how to do the charging, standby mode, how to record, how to stop recording, how to take still photos, how to turn the glasses off, and then how to get back your videos and your photos. And then you can change settings too. You can do different settings. That's great. And here's the settings explained. As troubleshooting, got a warning. So the device layout, it shows one is the camera lens. We saw that. Interchangeable lenses, number 2. We saw that. It'll be fun to actually do a little filming and then show you guys what it looks like. Okay, Yeah, you can do, you can have a date and time watermark on it if you want, or you can turn it off. A lot of features. And the battery life on these is great. Lasts a long time. I'm just very interested to see how that built-in data works rather than having to do the SD cards. Oh yeah, actually this does have power. I can see, press the button, you get a little indicator light up here. It's blue. Yeah, okay, so the red light went out. I think the red light, I believe, says you're videotaping, but we'll look to find out. I'll charge these up and then we'll do a video of how they actually look. I'll just show you guys the lens changing here real quick. It's super easy to do. Because of the work I do for appliance repair, I need to be able to see really well. It's usually in a dark environment, so I actually need these clear lenses rather than the ones that come with it. And you can get amber lenses too for like night driving. So all I got to do is grab low on the lens, and I'm going to push out with my thumb, and then the old lens comes out. Grab the new lens. You push in at the top first, get started, and then just use your thumb to kind of push in around the perimeter until it clicks in. Good. Yeah, that clicks in really easy. Now we got a clear one. Pop out this one. So I'm going to push again from down low here to get that one out. These lenses on this model feel a little thinner, a little lighter too. That's cool. Everything's designed to just give you a lighter feel. So yeah, that's definitely going to be better for what I do, to have the clear lenses. So let me charge these up and then we'll put them on and show you guys what it looks like. I'll also get a chance to show you what the Denalis look like, the previous model. The Glide, again, are a lot lighter, very easy to use, very intuitive. So this is a port, again, where you can charge up your Glides, waterproof, water resistant. And also this is where you can put in your USB connector and hook it up to your computer to download your video. When you want to film, all you do, it's in this off position, there'll be no lights right here. If you want to film, you press a little button right where my index finger is, and just one click, and then we'll see a little red light right there where my finger is, and it starts to blink, and that means we're recording video. If you press that button again, it'll stop. It'll go to a solid red. That means standby. So what I just did is when I press it again, I took a photograph because I got a little blue light. So if it's on standby, if it's red like that, and you press the button again, you'll see a little blue light. That means you just took a still photo. So now I'm going to shut it all the way off by holding the button for about 3 seconds. Now it's fully off. So if I want a video, I have to start from the fully off position, press one time, one click, and this will start to blink red, and that means that I am filming, I'm videotaping. That looks good. So it's pretty straightforward, lightweight, and you don't really see that camera. With your sunglasses on, it'd be really good for going biking. Let's hook it up now to the USB port and see if we can download the video that we did today. Okay, so here's the USB. I'm going to hook it up to this one, go into the iPad. And the other end of that, I'll hook it up to that port, and then we should be able to download. Turn on the computer. Files. I haven't tried this yet, so I think it'll just link up. I'm just peeling back this water resistant part. Put this in. And we get a little red light there. That's cool. It tells us that it's linked up, I think. Okay, I'm going to go to the different files. Let's see if it finds it. I think it's this one called Untitled. Let's click on that. Yeah, I think that's it. So it's got a configuration document here. Yeah, this is the correct one. And this is where you can change things, but recommend in the beginning you don't use this yet. Okay, we're giving these new glide glasses a try here for doing a fix-it video. This is more of a gardening video. We're going to use our weed whacker to try to take out an oak. So first we'll try this one on this oak tree, oak bush. Yeah, not too good. It kind of shreds it. Let's try the other one. Yeah, it's basically like a big chainsaw attached to a skill saw. All right, I got to change this configuration a little bit too. A lot of little oak trees starting up here. I want to get rid of all of them before they get too big. So this should speed things up. Let's give it a try. Much better. So that cuts through it a lot faster. But these are really comfortable. They're very light. And all I had to do to start it is just press the button on the side and the video starts. And I think these are 64 gigabytes of built-in memory. And the old model had a little SD card. I think the ones we were using is 128 gigabytes. So that's pretty good though. You know, built-in memory to go that long is a big advantage. So in summary, I really like these new Glide glasses from iVUE. They're lightweight, lighter than my previous ones. They're pretty simple to use, very intuitive. Has a lot of built-in memory, which is really nice. They're rugged, they're tough. I think they can handle a lot. Has a long battery life, which is great. And great for recording things like when you go biking, you can wear it, or sports events, or if you're motorcycle riding, you can record. It's easy to download files to your computer. It comes with clear lenses if you want to change them out. We have a link in the description below if you'd like to grab one.